In this video, we will see how to turn off PS4 without Dualshock 4 controller or joystick. Switch on TV and console button. Switch. It is on HDMI 1 where PlayStation console HDMI plug is plugged. Switch on PlayStation. PlayStation is loading. If PlayStation 4 DualShock controller, if if controller does not work, if controller does not work, then how to turn off PS4? Take Sony TV remote, press home button, then press the down arrow button, then press the right arrow button, then press the down arrow button, press the center button. Now PS4 is turning off. With the help of Sony TV remote, we can turn off PS4. Subscribe.